Crazy Mike, CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app demo for GameGlyph by PhoneApp.com. This application is in the games category, works on the iPad or iPad 2, currently selling for $2.99. This is a convenient text editor featuring common game icons called glyphs for chess, cards, dice, and more that will help you convey game information using your iPad productivity applications. It also lets you share your docs through social networks, SMS, and email. Here's the opening text editor screen. I can get rid of the keyboard there and the text editor. All of the cool stuff is in the blue in the 3 rows, and those are the game glyphs. You can see the brand there. Up in the upper left we have the I Ching trigrams, and those are used for fortune telling, and I don't know how to use those, but that's what they look like. We can clear that out. Below there we have 2 different sets of cards. We have colored, and we have all suits, and then we have a silhouette of card suits as well. And then we also have, we'll space there, we have 2 different sets of chess icons, or glyphs rather, and then again you have those in a dark or a solid or a silhouette. Now last but not least we have our die glyphs, and you can see those. So however you can imagine using this when you're coming up with poker strategy or bridge bridge hands and things like that, this application allows you to create that in here, and then it allows you to port it over into your applications like Pages or Keynote, what have you. I'm sure there are many others that this application will work because you're just going into the application. So you pick your favorite application and you can take and copy and paste this information in there. Now I'm going to clear all, and one of the coolest things that is in here is the convert hex to Unicode. Now that's a little button down here in the bottom right of the blue area. I'm going to put in a code here, 2710, and I found this on the web. I was just poking around. I didn't know what these were, but so I have that, and once you highlight it, once you highlight that and select all you got to do is convert to hex code, and I get a pencil. Now there are thousands of those hex to Unicode. You can go out and find the codes and create these, and once you do, you can copy all. Bam, I copied it. If I wanted to tweet that, I can tweet that out. So you can customize your tweets, you can put it in your emails, customize your text messages by, it's been copied, just go to that application, paste it in there, and send it. Now, so say we want to do a little bit of card card information. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a jack, and we're going to say hearts, and we're going to return down and say 7 of diamonds, and you get the idea. Once we do that, maybe we also want to just throw in some dice just for the heck of it, for example, for the presentation purposes here. I'm going to copy all of that. Again, copy to the clipboard. I press OK. Now I can exit out of GameGlyph, head right into Pages, and you can see I've already been experimenting in here with cutting and pasting. I can go over here, and then I can simply hold my finger down, paste all, and it puts just what I had in my last copy and paste from GameGlyph into this application. So it can be very handy when you're working in applications that don't provide the functionality of the game glyphs, which is the whole point for the application. Now again, we can head out of here, and I'm going to go into Keynote, and I'm going to just put my finger here and see if we can't paste what I had. There it is. Bam, it worked the first time. Again, those are some die that I copied and pasted off camera during my testing, but you can see the power of this, that you can introduce different glyphs and game glyphs into applications that don't have that functionality, which is quite powerful if you need to do so. Specifically with the convert hex to Unicode, you can customize a lot of things. Now you can see right here there's a button for clear all, simply clear all, and you can also see there's a save button there. The text has been saved and will be reloaded when GameGlyph launches again. Very nice feature. Save if you're not done working on it and you want to come back to it. You come back in and you pick up right where you left off. Now tap on help here, And this is where you get all of the basic functionality given to you that I just showed you. Compose text in the editor or paste from the clipboard, add glyphs from the keyboard accessory with a single tap, and you can go through here and read them all. It's all pretty basic, as well as number 7, which is explaining the Unicode glyphs by typing in or pasting a 4-character Unicode designator, and so on. That's it for this iPad app demo of GameGlyph. Until next time, this has been Crazy Mike from Crazy Mike's Apps saying see ya.